Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to convert video to GIF in Capwing. Capwing is an online content creation platform that allows users to edit videos, images and GIFs easily without needing professional software. It is browser based so you can work directly from your computer or mobile device. One of its convenient features is converting video to clips into GIF. First, open any of the browser you prefer. In the top there's an address bar, type down capwing.com and enter it. And select create new over here on the top, and on the left hand side upload media. And over here what you can do is simply click and hold it and put it onto this editing line. And you need to trim the video, so trim the video selecting the timeline at the bottom for your GIF, and you can preview it to ensure the GIF captures the exact clip you want. And in the top right, find out the export project here. After you're done with editing, you can simply export the project in the top right. Over here what you can do is you can select this GIF over here. You can select your format and compression level as well, and select to the export as GIF. And that is it. This is how you can convert video into GIF in Capwing. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.